Not mine, but legendary.
Okay. Pug! Pug, you have to stop. It's okay. Pug. Pug. Chill. Okay?
Google Lens thinks my dog looks like taxidermy. It's hilarious that you found so many which match the same pose. I guess there's a lot of preserved white foxes out there. This is how he gets off the couch every single time. But today, he put his head down midway and stayed a while rolling on the floor laughing. Who else spent too long wondering why this dog was wearing a festive butt plug? Man raising hand. What's wrong with my dog? Dog. Well, for one, I have a Christmas tree stuck up my ass. Their way of playing together. I don't even know. Most appropriate post for this subreddit emo. Every now and then, our doggo Lily likes to steal my partner's worn undies or PJ bottoms, and eats the crotch out of them. My dog does this too, it's so gross. I had a boxer that would steal my wife's panties out of the laundry basket and take off running because she was vigilant. Never forget her chasing him around the backyard in a bathrobe, and I was choking trying not to laugh out loud. First time away from his mama since adoption and the poor thing is confused.
You're fine. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay.
Look, my dog can wave and call people over to play. I met a dog years ago that hates flags.
Okay, enough. If you need a prop that doesn't like flags, so he's natural.
Wow. The highlights of Christmas according to my dog.
Hon är ute och äter snö.
Least enthusiastic tug of war ever.
Kiki, you better let go from his pants. That is so funny. He's full of snow. You wagging your tail? You think that's a fun game?
Bailey wants something. She wants you to come out of your depression and clean your place up. It's the "hey bud, we need to talk" look. Certified crybaby. When you have a stub for tail but you really want people to know you're wagging it. My little weirdo. Dog found a dryer sheet. She does this every time it snows. My dog hides his treats unsuccessfully on the sofa.
Mommy!
Happy New Year.